Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe a character from a movie. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Describe a character from a movie. In this cue card you have to speak about a character from a movie. Here is the sample answer. Well, it's always the part or the role of a character in every movie that makes it successful. And I would like to talk about one of the blockbuster movies, Three Idiots, and the character in this movie who is just integral to the movie is Aamir Khan. Aamir Khan is certainly my favorite actor. For this reason, I watched this movie in the cinema with my friends a few years ago when it was released. I never knew this movie was going to be so interesting. This movie is based on college life, and since I am a student, I was particularly interested in watching this movie. Aamir Khan played an exceptional role in this movie. He is more like an ideal for the students to follow because he has shown in this movie how focusing on the practical aspect of learning can make you successful. Generally, students are more concerned about theoretical aspects, which gives them stress only, but he shows how a student can enjoy a very relaxing and easygoing life if he is more and more about learning in a practical way. Aamir Khan is a comical character in this movie. There are so many funny scenes in this movie that made us laugh hysterically in the cinema hall. I can also say that he is a very versatile actor. Because apart from comedy, he can handle different types of situations. There are some emotional scenes in this movie, especially when his friend gets hospitalized and when Aamir Khan is crying. Literally, everyone in the cinema hall was crying because everyone in the cinema hall was engrossed in his character. Last but not least, Aamir Khan sang the title song of this movie, and prior to watching this movie, I never knew that he had singing skills as well. For playing this character in Three Idiots, he has received numerous awards, and this movie was on the Oscar list as well. And after that, I have watched this movie many times, and I also recommend others to watch the movie and appreciate the performance of Aamir Khan in this movie. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties then ask your doubts in comments section,